Hello YouTubers, how you diddling? Alright hell. Today's going to be one hell of a journey. Off down to the Pilgrim Hospital. Got a CT scan to have. And we've got blustery winds of up to 46 mile an hour. Yeah, bugger, I tell you what, you can feel them. Now, sometimes it pays to be on an heavy bike and sometimes it don't. I'm hoping today it pays. Oh, you bugger. So it's about probably 15-16 degrees at the moment, which on its own would be nice, but that wind is quite nippy and it's just cutting through you. Guess me, that does, when all you want to do is the speed limit and then you come across people doing 45 mile an hour in a 50 zone. Hey ho. Just realised all the rape seeds out and I haven't had an hay fever tablet. Mind you, I have got some in my panniers, worst come to worst. God, I hope you can hear me. Put these plus. Yeah, I'm not going faster than the speed limit. As it turns out, on a windy day like this, my angel can't fly any faster. They always say never ride faster than your angel can fly. Yeah, the old windsock's working overtime. You bastard. I knew that wind would be trying to get me there. I'll just have my CT scan. Considering how many people are around here in masks and things, that is quite a worrying process. That frightened the bloody crap out of me, I tell you. Oh, I don't like being at hospitals at the best of times, but I tell you what, when this this COVID-19 thing shit happens, nobody wants to be here. Right, ride back. Just go and have a nice steady ride back home. Time to relax. I think I can go back home and scrub myself with disinfectant and bleach. Right. Come on, beast. Let's fire your heart raven. Oh, that's the sound I like to hear. Newton Road. Nice. Hey ho! Let's have an arse clenching ride on the way back then with this, like I said earlier, 46 mile an hour gusts. Let's see how we feel. That wind had just dropped a bit. It's an absolutely gorgeous day. Saying that, don't feel as windy at the moment as it did earlier, but I think that's I was riding into a head-on wind before and it's quite the opposite at the moment. Theoretically it should be behind me, but I must admit the wind feels like it's coming from my right, sort of right but in front of me at the same time, you know. We'll see. The wind has definitely dropped. Either that or it just feels so much better the direction I'm travelling now. Marvellous job. Woo! I feel a little bit better now I've had this CT scan, but I shall feel even better when I've had the results. Make sure it's seeing me. Well, it makes you nervous when they stick the nose out a little bit. Well, all the ambulance with blue lights. Yeah, it's still windy, still blustery, but that's dropped that wind pressure down. So I say they're recording about 46 miles an hour. I should say it's down to probably 18, 20 mile an hour gusts. Hopefully, anyway. It certainly feels lower. Fuck's sake, Skeggy, stop talking about the bloody wind. No good. Nobody gives a shit when they start watching it on the mobile or at the sat at your desk watching it. Well, hope if you ride you've been able to get out and ride. If you've not been joining us on a Thursday night, we do the Hangouts. It's either on Weggy's channel or it's on David's channel, my UK one. And a few familiar faces turn up on there for you, and basically we just talk bollocks. If you imagine 6 people sat around a table having a pint or a cuppa or whatever they want to do, and then have the comments as some annoying kids keep on coming in and asking stupid questions. That's basically what an hangout is. I'm sorry for that, Ray. It's not. They're not stupid questions, actually. In fact, quite often it's the questions that get us back on track. You find yourself talking about some stupid things, and it's like, aren't we supposed to be talking about motorbikes? Oh yeah, we are, aren't we? You're like, okay, yeah. Anywho, I always put a link to them, if I remember, in my Skeggy Cruiser Facebook profile. And I'm pretty sure everybody else does. Quite enjoyable. There's the wind, there's the wind. Jesus, blew me from one side of the road to the other. Here we go, look. Oh yes, sod. Yeah, I know it's 50 limit, I'm doing 50. I don't know. Anyway, people, I'm going to have a genteel ride home. And I'll catch you again later. Take care. Bye.